Good morning, children. Sairam. Today we'll start with a new topic of grammar, that is question tag. So let's start then. Why do we use question tags? Question tags are different from questions. When we don't know about something, we generally ask some questions. But we just add a tag to a statement when we use question tag. Now, what are question tags? Questions at the end of a statement used by the speaker to comment on something, ask for something, check information they know or believe to be true. Now let's see, for example, it's raining. Then, isn't it? This is question tag. Okay? You aren't busy, are you? She can swim well, can't she? Mohan doesn't work hard, does he? So here, what have you seen? Here the underlined words are called question tags. What is the pattern? Let us see. Here the first one, auxiliary plus not plus subject if the statement is positive. Now in the first sentence, it's raining. It is positive. So you have negative question tag. Is, then not, then subject. Okay? So auxiliary you find is here. It's raining. So it is short form, right? So it is raining. So here again the auxiliary has come and then not and then the subject. And what is the second pattern? Auxiliary plus subject if the statement is negative. Okay, so you can see here in the second sentence, you aren't busy. Here the statement is negative. So here what will be the pattern? Here first auxiliary will come and then you have subject. A question tag is a common practice in conversation to make a statement and ask for confirmation. We use negative question tags after positive statements, as in sentences 1 and 3. Here, first sentence, as we have seen, is positive sentence, so negative question tag. Third, positive sentence, she can swim well, so negative question tag. We use positive question tags after negative statements, as in sentences 2nd and 4th. So second sentence you see, you aren't busy, negative sentence, so positive question tag. Then again fourth one, Mohan doesn't work hard, so again it is negative sentence, so positive question tag. So one important thing you have to remember, the subject of the question tag is always a pronoun, never a noun. Now read the following sentences. Jaya dances like a peacock. What type of sentence? Positive or negative? It is positive. So what will you have? Yes, negative question tag. Jaya dances like a peacock, doesn't she? Meera doesn't like to play. Now here, positive or negative? It is negative statement. So what will be the question tag? Let's see. Yes, we have positive question tag. Meera doesn't like to play, does she? Children always like to play. Positive statement. So, children always like to play, don't they? Sita did not work hard for the examination, did she? In the above sentences, there are no helping verbs. So we use the forms of do. That is do, does, or did. When the verb in the main sentence is in the present simple, we form the question tag with do or does. If the verb is in the past simple, we use did. Children, already you have studied what are auxiliary verbs. Okay, so there are different forms of be verbs, have verbs, and do verbs. So be verbs, that is, am, are, they show the continuous tense. You already know. Okay, he is running, so it shows the continuous tense. And have verbs, that is have, has, or had, shows the perfect tense. Now suppose if I say she has gone, it tells you the perfect tense. Then we have the forms of do, that is do, does, and did. Now these are used in simple or simple past or simple present tense. Okay. Now read the following sentences. The old man has become blind. The old man has become blind, hasn't he? Now in this sentence, what you have seen, has is the auxiliary verb. So question tag is hasn't he. So when auxiliary verb you have, the same thing you will have in the question tag. But let's see in the second sentence. Saroj has 3 pens. Saroj has 3 pens, doesn't she? Now here, has is not auxiliary verb. It is the main verb. So when it is a main verb, you have to take doesn't she. Why? She is, Saroj is third person singular number. So does will come, right? So in the negative, that is negative question tag, you have to write doesn't she. So what we have seen, in the first sentence the verb has is a helping verb, so the question tag is hasn't he. And in the second sentence the verb has is the main verb, therefore the question tag is doesn't she. Okay. Now other things to remember. When a sentence begins with there is or there are, we use there in the question tag as well. Let's see in the examples, children. There is a mistake in his work. So what will you write in the question tag? Isn't there? Okay. Then there are no fiction books in my bookshelf. Are there? So what we have seen? Again you will write there as the question tag. Now note the following exceptions. In English we have exceptions. So you have to remember these. Let's see the sentences. Let's go to the beach. Shall we? So we say no. Shall we go to the beach? So remember. Okay. Question tag. What will you write? Shall we? Don't write negative. Okay. Here such type of sentences, even though it is positively seen, but here you have to write positive only. Okay, these are exceptions. Next sentence. Wait a minute. Can you? Okay. Then have some more rice. Will you? Post this letter for me. Will you? I am in charge of the food. Aren't I? Okay. Now please note what I have written. The question tag after I am is aren't I. Remember always. Okay. I am is written. I am in charge of the food. So aren't I you have to write. Okay, children? So what all things we have to remember? If a statement is positive, the question tag will be negative. If a statement is negative, the question tag will be positive. The subject of the question tag is always a pronoun, never a noun. The full stop in the main sentence changes into comma. Remember? Now, this is the activity from your grammar workbook, page number 70-71. Add question tags to the following. Kishore will come. After that, comma is there. So what will be the question tag, children? Sentence is positive. Okay? So the question tag will be negative, right? So what is the negative of will? Yes, it is won't. Let's see. Won't he? Right? Kishore will come. Won't he? Now, second sentence. I didn't hurt you. It is negative statement. So what will you write? Yes. Did I? Third sentence. Sheila hasn't passed the exam. Again it is negative statement. So what will you write? Yes. Positive. So, has she? You aren't going out. Negative statement. So what will you write? Question tag. Yes. Positive. So, are you? Then, I need not get up early tomorrow. Okay. So here it is negative statement. What will you write? Yes. Need I? They have sold the house. Positive statement. So what will you write? Haven't they? Have is there. Okay. Have is auxiliary verb. So you will write haven't they? We must hurry. Mustn't we? Okay. Then your father is a doctor. Positive statement. So what will you write? Isn't he? Yes. Negative question tag. Bring me food. What will you write? Will you? Yes. Because here there is no auxiliary verb. Okay. You have to, these are exceptional sentences. Then, cherry trees are tough. Aren't they? Are is given. So, aren't they? Give me leave to hunt here. Will you? Again, exceptional type of sentence. Now, other sentence, let us see. There's just the right amount of shade here. So, what will you write? Isn't there? Okay, their type of sentences. They become better examples for youth. So, what will you write? Don't they? Here there is no auxiliary verbs. Okay, so don't they? It will die now. Won't it? Will, opposite, won't. Then sit down. Will you? Yes. They hold some sort of council there over the boy. Don't they? Yes. Okay. Kaa was 30 feet long. Wasn't she? Kaa, you must have understood what we are talking about. Mowgli, you must have seen the animated film. Yes. It was the python. Okay. So, Kaa was 30 feet long. Wasn't she? Stand still, little brother. Will you? Exceptional cases. Let's get down from here. Shall we? Okay. I am hungry. Aren't I? We are in a pickle, aren't we? Next, you don't look like a goose. Do you? Positive of don't, do. I am a climber, aren't I? Again, Santa Claus got down the chimney, didn't he? You will teach me, won't you? Children, I hope you have understood how you will write the question tag. These are the sentences we have taken from your grammar workbook. If you have got the book, you please write the answers, or else you can write in the grammar and composition notebook as I have told you to do. So, goodbye.